Welcome to the video training program of InTouch EMR, the fast, simple, and integrated EMR that adapts to you. We're excited to show you everything InTouch EMR can do to streamline your practice. So let's get started.
Hey everybody, this is Nitin Choda with InTouchEMR.com and InTouchBillerPro.com. Now in this training video, I'm going to teach you about what a flow sheet should look like. What's the purpose of a flow sheet traditionally for rehab professionals like physical therapists? A flow sheet is a way of you tracking what you did for that particular patient, for that particular visit, and for previous visits. So you can go back quickly and find out what you did in a previous visit, so that you're able to then decide what you're going to do for this visit. Are you going to do the same thing? Are you going to do more of what you did, less of what you did, or are you going to modify or update your treatment for the day? That's the purpose of the flow sheet. It's essentially like a reminder system for you to know what you've been doing, and literally an overview, a bird's eye view, if you will, of the treatment path, as I like to put it. Now here's the problem. You can put whatever you want in the flow sheet, but at the end of the day, your flow sheet has to justify what you're billing. In fact, your entire documentation has to justify what you're billing, but we're talking about this in the context of the flow sheet. The right way to use a flow sheet is that your flow sheet should be assigned to a CPT code. So let's say you're documenting shoulder stabilization exercises. Let's say you did 5 different exercises. You've got to document that in the flow sheet, which you are, but you've got to assign a CPT code to it. Let's say it's a 97110 or a 97150, whatever the code is. You're now telling the system that you did something on that day in that, what I call that flow sheet element, and you're billing it as a certain CPT code that now appears in your claim form. And that's the claim that gets billed out, and that's a claim, that's a CPT code that's justified because you have documented it in your flow sheet. And of course, you did that because you provided that service to the patient. So the new way to look at a flow sheet is that it shouldn't just be some stuff you've typed out. It should be the basis for what you bill. It should support medical necessity, and it should streamline what you do. In fact, the CPT code that you assign to a flow sheet element should automatically appear in the billing tab, which is a part of streamlined documentation, which is exactly what we do in InTouchEMR.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you streamline your flow sheets with services like InTouchEMR. Thanks.
Thanks for watching this video training from InTouch EMR, the fast, simple, and integrated EMR that adapts to you. We'll see you in the next training module.